Hi friends, my name is Chetan Kumar. I am working as a physical design engineer in Aptamitra Consultancy. Today I am going to talk about electric field. It's a field around the charged particle within which the other charges experience the force of attraction or a repulsion. So, uh, if you place any particle near the charged particle, that charge will experience force of attraction or a repulsion. So that the force that induces because of the magnitude of the charge, that force is called electric field. It's denoted as E. So we are all know that electric field apply the force on the charged particle, and hence because of this reason the unit of electric field is newtons per coulomb, also equals to volts per meter. The field of this positive charged particle are going to the outward direction, and while the field of negative charged particle move in the inward direction. Why? So you might think why it's like that? Because positive charge always repel the test charges, while negative charges always attract the test repel charges. Because of this, the directions are onward and inward and outward. The electric field induces around the unit charge is given by E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R square, where R is the distance between the atom and the charged particle. So Q is the charge. The force acting on the charge Q is given by F equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q into small q divided by R square. There are two types of electric field. One is uniform electric field and one more is non-uniform electric field. In uniform electric field, the electric field is constant throughout, and in non-uniformic electric field, the electric field is different at different places. The electric field are represented by the electric field lines that are, and that lines has some properties. First one is field lines never intersect each other. So whatever the field lines are there around the particle, they never intersect each other. And second point is the field is strong when the lines are closer together, and it's weak when the field lines move apart from each other. So when you see the electric field in those when the field lines are very nearer to each other, the in that particular point the electric field is very strong. And when you see when the lines are very far, in that point the electric field is very big. Third point is the field is directly proportional to the magnitude of the charge. And fourth point is the field line starts from the positive charge and ends on negative charge. So in this case, always the field lines will start from the positive charge and ends up in negative charge. And fifth point is the line curves are continuous in charge free region. Thank you.